I say if within 3 years we are coming up with a product, there is no need for us to say anything further. We are dedicated, committed.
So today we are looking at possibilities. Today is an unveiling of a day when perhaps we can reinvent how the future might look like.
This is a stage of brainstorming and creating new solutions.
What is really beautiful is doing. So today we are here to celebrate the part which we enjoy, which I personally enjoy, building things. This is not only the unveiling of the product, this is also celebration of that journey of building the product.
And I must congratulate Enord team. In 3 years, they've come up with something so beautiful. अभी तो नकाब में है. जब पर्दा उठेगा, then let's see what it is.
Enord can still look further or find new apply applications or solutions. So I would like to start from you, sir. Like the sectors like defense or agriculture, construction, or environment or ecology. Where do you think that this current application can be applied with some innovation and some areas which can still be new solutions to be found? Over to you, sir.
We tried these drones recently and we told now them the meteor drones, and these fly up to 5 to 6 kilometers. These are still in experimental stage in the country, and hopefully we will be able to employ these drones, and we will be able to replace at least some of the radio sound instruments. We call them radio sound pilot sound instruments.
I must congratulate these young minds on such a wonderful innovations they came out with. And two things I just wanted to, I was wandering around and was so excited to join this group is, one is the name itself, Enord. I was asking why it is Enord. So they are starting from where it ends up. Where we end, talking of the drone technology, drone, we start with D ends with E, but they start with E. They start with where we stop thinking, they start from there. That's what the innovation is. And that's what the name is, drones. So I must congratulate the kind of the word they coined, drone, Enord.
The design analysis side, detailed analysis can be done on the design options as well as on the construction. There are two opportunities. We're talking about the assessment of site monitoring. So site progress monitoring can be done very effectively through drones. Not only can you see what's happening on the site, you can actually calculate using drone data and AI tools to calculate how much of dirt has been laid at a particular location, how many bags of cement have been unloaded, how many bricks have been unloaded. So if you combine the drone data along with AI and ML tools, it can actually tell you how much of bricks have been unloaded. You can actually count.
I'm very, intrigued. Whenever I found any startup, I asked them, who's funding, who's giving you the best funding? And answer always came, most of the investors were foreign investors. So when I wanted to look at a, creation of intellectual property in India, if we have to really become a drone hub in the true sense, then this investment has to come in India. This intellectual property has to stay in India.
Venture capital industry in India itself is very, very young. It is still getting on the verge of maturing. That's why if you see the initial venture capital A's in India, most of the VC funds were the franchisee from some other nation.
This is our responsibility to develop that technology and providing an ecosystem inside the academic institute to develop such products. Yes, we are on that runway now. Ministry of Education has given the mandate to all universities. We recently came up with Institutions Innovation Council, that is the constitutional body, and very rigorous review is also there. They are also supporting, and there's a National Institute Startup Policy also that is again given by the framework given by the Government Ministry of Education, where we have to allocate 1% of our budget expenditure for innovation.
The startups, I will say, when Zain and Mohammed came to my office, I asked them, what's the niche? So they said AI on edge. So that is what is there. We have actually 2 weeks and don't startups in the country right now. We don't require permission. Okay, and it is, if I was there, I would like to see only those startups which are actually having the genuine knowledge, innovation, technology to go forward. We need to support them. They have to have a niche technology, like something idea like this, and what.
Unfortunately, today the entire procurement process is ridden with a lot of challenges, and we all know what the challenges are. Unless we create a very open, large market, we'll not be able to attract the brightest of the people